Hey parents, just popping in with a quick tip. If your little one is learning to read, this is for you. Let's talk about blending. That's when your child take the sounds k, a, and t to form the word cat. It sounds simple, but it's a game changer. Some kids get it in a week, others in 6 weeks. And that's okay, as long as you just keep practicing. Here are 3 easy ways to practice blending. Practice for 10 minutes a day. Make it playful. Let's not make it a chore. And the most important is to celebrate effort, not perfection. This parents, drop a word in the comment that your child can blend, and let's celebrate their wins together. And if you ever feel stuck, Magnificent Kids is here to help. Let's raise confident readers together.